What is up, everybody? It's your boy Jesse here today, and today I am doing my 2020 bike trip. So we're gonna start it off from top to bottom, front to back. So first off, we got the Mission Invade front wheel, and then laced up to a Mission Miler rim. And then I'm running a 2.3 Fit Bikeco tire in the front. And then I'm running some Stolen Cyclone forks. They're pretty good, but they're not internally threaded yet. I'm running a star nut thing still, but I'm gonna get that fixed pretty soon. There's this tool you can order for about 35-ish bucks, I think. It's pretty out there, but I'm gonna get it. So, and then I'm running a DK front load stem with some Eastern 10-inch bars because I'm pretty tall. I'm about 6 foot. So, I mean, it evens my, my end out to about 9.75, I think, or something like that. And then I'm running the Sunday uh, grips still. They're pretty good. I like them. They're comfortable. I mean, they're not the best for bar spins because they're not as long as I wish they were, but hopefully I could stretch them out once I get an air compressor or something. But otherwise, they are the comfortable grips ever. I have never really had any slipping with them. I mean, they're really good. But they're the MFG company Sunday grips with some Odyssey Barnes or Parins, however someone says it. And then I am running not a cold frame, I wish it was a cold frame, but it's a stolen, or no, fiction frame, I'm pretty sure. I don't know that I think it's a 20.75 top tube, but yeah, I like these a lot. It's a stock frame that came on a complete bike that I ordered a while back ago. You guys go check that out. I think I did that video in 2019, I think, or sometime. I don't remember. That was whenever I first got this frame completely. But yeah, then we're gonna move on down here. I am running some Odyssey pedals. I don't know the exact thing of them, like the name. But all I know is if you're looking for a wide platform pedal, these are like the widest platform pedals out there on the market right now. I really like them. They are the comfortablest pedals I've ever ridden. Like, yeah, it took me a while to finally get them fixed and everything to where they would like stop slipping sometimes because it would get loose here and there, but you just have to tighten it up over time. And that's for both pedals. I'm running some three-piece cranks. Don't know the exact brand because I got them from a friend. So I'm just running them for the heck of it because they're the best things out there really right now that I can ride. And I want to get some Odyssey ones soon. But I might actually strip these down to raw. That way so I don't have to worry about the paint chipping really. Because, when I'm doing bar spins, I pinch this Nikes out of my cranks. So that's rubbing off on them. And then I am running a 28 tooth, what is it? FA. I got it on Amazon a while back ago. I've been running it for a really long time now. I like bigger gear ratios for it. I mean, it might be a little harder to pedal, but you get going places a lot faster. And then I am running a Kink Sexton seat. To be honest with you guys, I thought it was going to be great, but it started ripping a while back ago from a friend that gave it to me. But I'm probably going to get a new seat pretty soon, like hopefully in the next week or so, because I need a new seat because this is ripping the shreds out of my legs. So, then stock seat posts that came with the bike. And then, see, this is where it kind of gets a little different. I'm running a 2.3 in the front, but I'm running a 2.4 in the back because I don't have another 2.4 of this tire. And this is another Fit Bikeco tire. And I am also running the Primo half link chain. This is the best chain out there. I've had this probably for about half a year, maybe a year. I don't know for sure. I'd have to go back and check. But it is the best chain out there. I've never broken a single one. Like, this is my first Primo chain I've had, and it's never had any issues. It's just, it's probably the best chain out there you can get for the price. It's only 25 bucks right now, I think, on Primo's site, or if you go to like Source BMX, it's 25 bucks. But then I am running the Stolen Rampage Free Coaster. Now, the axle that I have that came in stock with is kind of gotten screwed up, so I'm gonna have to try to figure out some way to get a new axle and some lock nuts. But it still rolls perfectly fine. It's straight as can be. Both of my wheels are straight as heck. I mean, I've had to replace a couple spokes here and there, but that's just normal for riding, you know. And then I have some Cinema valve stem caps. They're just flashy, I guess. I mean, they're chill. I like them. They're pretty cool. It goes with my vibes, I guess, black and white. But yeah, I mean, this is my dream build. If you guys go to my Instagram, I'll tag it in the comments down below. This is actually what my frame was gonna look like whenever I was gonna first, start ordering parts for it. It was gonna be blue and complete black components. Well, I think I've gotten that, so now all I need is some new tires, and it'll be pretty much completely complete. And this will be like a really good bike. I mean, it's good as heck right now. I haven't had any problems with it besides, having to grease it up every now and then, but that's just usual. But yeah, this is my 2020 bike check. And if you guys like it, I guess, let me know down in the comments. Tell me what you think I should have done differently if you need something like that. If you guys have any questions about where to get these parts or anything like that, just let me know. And I will let you guys also know. But otherwise, this is my 2020 bike check. But yeah, thanks for watching. Peace out.